Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com. I hope all of you are happy or safe and making yourself happy, doing the things that you have to do to keep yourself moving forward during this time. And you knew I was going to have to do it. Uh, I was going to have to make a video about all this Bitcoin, gold, and silver, oil and gas, all of these scams that are out there right now. Uh, Cash is king. I'm just going to tell you, cash is king. If you have not gotten deferments on your payments that on your like your mortgage, your cars, certain credit cards and stuff, you need to do that to keep as much cash in your pocket. But let's just go with the myths of all of these people talking about you got to have gold and Bitcoin and silver and all of that stuff. The dollar is going to collapse. Let me tell you what's happening right now. In the gold market went down, Bitcoin went down, silver went down, oil and gas went down. But now, let me tell you about some ways or some things that you may not be aware of. If you have a gold coin, which I have gold coins, if you were to go into the store right now and you say, I want to buy this toilet paper with these gold coins, guess what? They're going to say we don't accept those gold coins, or even if they accept them, they're going to discount the coins because the way that the market fluctuates. But if you have cash in your hand, you'll be able to come out the store with toilet paper. You don't have to wait 3 to 5 days to wipe your butt with the toilet paper you buy from selling your gold coins. Bitcoin. Uh, yes, Bitcoin jumped up and it also went way back down. A lot of my friends lost money in Bitcoin. Um, right now, where it stands, I think that they had it at about 6,000. Where is Bitcoin sitting at right now? $6,700 for one Bitcoin, but remember it was at $15,000. Uh, Let me tell you something. If you want to sell your Bitcoin, which a lot of my friends, business owners that bought into the scam, they bought Bitcoin when it was 9,000. They thought it was going to go back up to the 15,000. It didn't. They've all lost about $2,500 right now. And but the crazy thing about it is, if you want to sell your Bitcoin, you got to wait 1 to 5 days, and you got to find a buyer for it. So then what ends up happening is you have to actually go into these exchanges and find someone and pay a fee to get someone to buy your Bitcoin. So now if you need to get some toilet paper, need to buy some food for your family, you got to wait 1 to 5 days to get your money if someone is going to buy it from you and give you the worthless cash that you need to buy your products at the grocery store. The next one is silver. Same thing. When you go into a store, any store with silver and gold and Bitcoin, or if you try to sell it, they're going to automatically do what's called a discount. The discount is because there's a fluctuation. So if you were to go into a store with your silver, say you went into a silver uh, place like a pawn shop or whatever, and they buy silver, they will not give you what silver is worth today. They're going to mark 20% down because of the fluctuation. They can buy it from you today and it not be worth uh, what they gave you in dollars. So the same with oil and gas. All of these commercials are popping up all over the place. Get into oil and gas. Jerry Jones, owner of the Dallas Cowboys, he made all of his money in oil and gas, and they're running these commercials to get your money. But what is the one common thing that all of these scammers are trying to get people to do? The gold people, the Bitcoin people, the silver people, the oil and gas people, and even the stock market program people that are trying to get people to buy their programs and invest money in their stocks, or invest money in their program to learn how to buy stocks. What's the common thread is that they all take your worthless cash, your worthless money. They'll all take your worthless dollars for their so valuable Bitcoin, for their so valuable gold, for their so valuable silvers, for their oil and gas stocks, for their so valuable stock market program? Why don't they just take their money and invest it the way that they want to tell you to invest in the stocks? Cash is king. You need to keep as much of your cash as possible. Only do what is necessary right now. You can defer payments to all of your major creditors, like credit card companies, car payments, and mortgages. You can get pauses on your rent and certain insurances. You may be able to get a pause on, but at least the main three you need to do that. And I have a program that's available. If you're not confident that you know what to do, you can watch my video. I show you step by step and show you what type of debts can be put into deferment. Even your mortgage. I had a young lady that contacted me frantically by email saying that her mortgage company would not allow her to get a deferment. I emailed them directly for her, and they sent me an email back showing that they do offer a 2-month pause. A pause is even different than a deferment. A pause is where there's no interest or anything that's going to roll over. And they said after 2 months, they review it, and if you need to go forward longer due to the national emergency, that they would allow it. So if you have not done it yet, or if you're not confident on what to do for getting your payments deferred, or you just want to know exactly what to do, who to call, what to say, and who to send information to, there's a link below this video. Get that program. It's only $39.95. Well worth it. If you get your car payments deferred, that pays for the program, more than pays for the program. If you get your credit card payments deferred, pays for the program. If you get your mortgage deferred, it more than pays for the program, so it's worth it. So if you need any help with your credit, click the link. All of my links are below for everything that I offer. I really appreciate it. Please stay safe, and we're going to all make it through this time. Thank you. This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you.